everybody, I'm Michelle. I'm the founder of Sixth Senses Aromatics, a certified health and well-being coach as well as a mindfulness facilitator. Over the past few years, I had the privilege of conducting workshops and talks for corporations, and I've helped them with managing their stress as well as improved in the health and well-being journey. So on 31st October, I will be speaking on the webinar Soothe Stress with Scent. In this webinar, I'll be sharing how stress impacts our body and mind, why certain scents can calm and restore balance, the fascinating science behind smell and stress, and most importantly, practical ways you can use aromatherapy to bring more calm into your daily life. I look forward to seeing you on 31st October at 8 p.m. See you!